Hello everyone and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we'll be taking a look at a box of version 5.0 Appmon chips from Digimon Universe Appli monsters. So I have a full box here unopened of packs. I believe there are 12 packs inside with 2 chips per pack, so a total of 24 chips. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this with you guys. So I'll go through all of the packs, and then I will do sound demos in the Appli drive. So as you can see, boom, here are the packs. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So we'll jump right in. This is what the front of a pack looks like. And on the back. And it shows that they work with, oh, that's the newer Appli drive. Ooh, I hope these work with the old Appli drive. I guess we'll find out. If they don't, then I'll have to kind of do a part 2 until I can get one of those. But in any case, we'll give it a shot here. So we'll open up the first bag. So just take a quick look. That guy's got like a library on his head. Unfortunately, I have been catching up, but I'm still fairly far away on the show. I think I'm around episode 20 or so. So I'm probably not going to know the name of all of these guys, unfortunately. But I will go through all the pack openings and show them off, and then, like I said, if they work in my Appli drive, I will demo those sounds for you. This guy's got like a giant brain head. That's creepy. Yeesh. Can't get this open. This guy's got a plane or something. He's like a travel app. That's really cool. It's like a plain pterodactyl. I like that a lot. That's a really cool design. And then, I'm not sure who that is. Ooh, but it's 8 stars. That's pretty good. Digimon. Digimon? I don't know. Next pack. Got that one open a little bit easier. And we have, I don't know, Crazy Hypnotic Glasses Mon. And I can't really tell what that is. Probably holding it wrong. No, I was holding it right. Interesting. Obviously, once I open all the packs, I will take them all out of the plastic and show them off better, so you can actually see all the different pictures and everything. This guy's got 2 syringe arms, so watch out for him. Dokmon? Maybe just like Doc, like short for doctor. Dokmon. And this is Biomon. Next up, we have, like this. I can't tell what that's supposed to be. And I think that's a, yeah, that's the one. Didn't we just get that one? In any case, that one looks familiar. I think I might have that one already. Yeesh. Alrighty. That's cool. Little archer there. Oh, there we go. We got a dinosaur. shooting out some smog from his mouth. Dynadamon. Alrighty. I apologize, like I said, I don't know all the names, and I apologize that I'm not familiar. I really do need to catch up on the show, but I'm getting there. I'm getting closer. Oh, that's weird. He's got like a mouth with a tongue on the side of his hat. Creepy. So let's see. Gossipmon. There you go. Weird looking Digimon. But that's kind of Digimon's bag, isn't it? I mean, let's be honest. They have a lot of unique designs, which are mostly very cool. Some are weird and creepy. Oh, look at this guy. Is he like a stethoscope? Jamingu. Oh, jamming. He's like a jamming. Okay. Warpmon. He's cool. Alright, looks like we got about 3 packs left here. Uh-oh. This guy looks very similar to the guy we just had, but it does look different. This is Onsen? I'm not sure. Oh, he's cool. I like him a lot. Raydramon. That's cool. This guy looks like a bookhead with a pen. Diarymon. Makes sense. That's what I would have guessed. Oh, that's a duplicate. But he's cool. Alright, and the last pack in the box is... Uh-oh. Another book one. Oh no, that's new. That is not the same. That is Digimon. And I think that's a duplicate. So, unfortunately, it looks like we have a fair amount of duplicates. What I'll do is I'll open all these bags, sort them, and then show you each one individually. Alright, so I have some good news and I have some minor bad news. The minor bad news, I did not get all 24. We knew that already, though, because we saw duplicates as we were opening the packs. I'm missing number 2, 3, and 4. So I have, this is the stack of 2 stars, this is the stack of 4 stars, 6 stars, and 8 stars. So I have everything from 5 onward, and I have number 1. I'm just missing number 2, 3, and 4, which is not a huge deal. I feel like those are common, so probably if I wanted to track them down or trade with somebody, I could probably find them. Not a huge problem. The great news, the better news, everything, or at least the couple that I've tried, do work with the older Appli drive. So you don't need the newer Appli drive, at least I'm hoping. Now, I don't know if I'm going to run into any along the way, but I'm going to go through all these and try them for you. So I'm going to move these out of the way, and we'll start here with our stack of 2 stars. And I decided to go with the Hackman Plate just for fun. I like to just switch it up every so often. Any chance that wants to focus? Probably not. So that is Jetmon, and I forgot to show off the actual chip. Like I said, it's a Pterodactyl jet. I love that a lot. So that's really cool. Next up, I'm not sure what this guy's supposed to be. It yells at you if you take too long. Alright, I'm putting one in. I apologize, it's probably illegible with the light. There you go, when it changes colors, Appmon. Oh, Appmon. Because Onsen is a Japanese hot spring. I heard it say Onsen. So yeah, like a spa. So that's what that's supposed to be on his back? That's weird. It's like a hermit crab with a spa instead of a shell. I don't know. Alright, so this is the book, which looks like G-Showmon. Yeah, alright. If I'm not mistaken, Jisho is the Japanese word for like a journal. I think that's right. It's been a long time since I took Japanese in college, but that's my guess. You know what? I'm going to show you the next one before I take it out so it doesn't yell at me. Now, I think this is officially Diarymon. Diarymon. Yeah, this is Diarymon. So I don't know how Journalmon and Diarymon are different, but maybe they're sidekicks or partners or something. He's very weak. So there you go. Next up here, it's kind of like a plunger butt with the link cables for arms. And his, oops, I was looking at it upside down. I wonder if he connects with the next guy. This looks like Appmon? I'm not sure. Let's see what this says. Yep, Appmon. Not sure. Yeah, I can't say I know what that guy does. Here we go. This is the same kind of guy, but just like upside down. That's why I was thinking maybe they connect together. And this looks like Jammingmon. So maybe he like jams the signals. He is number 9 and he is a 2-star. He's pretty strong for a 2-star. I really love that voice. That's hysterical. Alright, so this is Gossipmon. It's got kind of a weird mouth on the side of his hat. Very strange. Number 10, 2 stars. Let's hear the sounds. Oh, I have it in upside down, or sideways rather. So this is a super, even though it's 2 stars. $4,800. So is the Gossip Appmon. Next up, we have this like kitty cat archer. Pretty neat. Also a Cho, as you can see up here in the corner of this circle. This looks like Kodemon. So let's give a listen. $9,600. Pretty strong. Up next we have Digimon. Got 2 hypodermic needles for arms. Also a Cho, 2 stars as well. Ooh, 8,800. Okay, so it's Digimon that says it's a doctor. So there you go. I was somewhat correct. Alright, next up we have this girl with the googly goggles. And this is Konsaru. Console? No, that can't be right. Oh, maybe like Council? Looks like it's got stocks in the background or something. I'm not really sure. We'll find out. Or maybe Consolemon? So 6,400, pretty strong there. Alright, next up we have this person with like a bookshelf on his head. And he is, looks like Librarymon. 2 star, also a Cho. Super. Alright, and then last up for our 2-star pile here, we have this weird body with a brain on top, which looks like Bureimon. So there you go. It's Brainmon. Makes sense. At least he's aptly named. Because he's an Appli monster. Haha! That worked out. I really like the voice there. Brema. He sounds really out of it, like he's not very enthused to be Brema. But that'll do it for the 2 stars, so we're going to move into the 4 stars now. And this looks like some version of Ragermon, which it says... Wow, there's no way I'm going to be able to read that. It says... Burasta... Presnadeam... Yeah, I can't. Sorry. Let's just put it in here, and it'll tell us what it says. But it's a form of Ragermon. Alright, well, it didn't really say anything, it just said Ragermon, but 12,500, pretty strong there. Next up, we have this, it looks like a guy with a giant battery on his back, if I'm looking at that right. And that says Warpmon, I believe. So another one with a crazy voice. Now we have Groupmon? Globemon? Oh, it is. I think that's supposed to be Globemon, which is the fused together version of Timon and Dogachimon. Yeah, Globemon. I just got the Globemon in the show, and he's very cool. So that means this one is an ultimate then. Which should... Yeah, different symbol in the back. Yeah, 2 QR codes. Alright, so next up, we have this crazy dinosaur. Dynadamon. Yeah, alright, settle down, you. Another ultimate. Ooh, 38,000. Damon. So there you go. Dame is usually like bad. So, in any case, moving on to the next one, we are moving into the 6 stars, which is another ultimate. Biomon. Looks pretty cool. I really like the look of the chip. Is that in right? Nope. Ooh, 70,000. So he is definitely powerful. Next up, I'm not sure who this is, but it looks like she has angel wings, which is kind of cool. Beautymon. Alright. Let's see how she measures up here.
Digimon.
45,000. Alrighty, next up, pretty cool picture there, I like that. We have Hackman? Fake? Yeah, maybe. Let's try it out. That was right, Hackman. 50,000. No slouch. There you go. Well, we're coming into the home stretch here. It's another pretty awesome picture. This is Appmon. Another ultimate. Pretty much all ultimates from here on out. $57,000. And then last but certainly not least, we have this one, which is Crazy Holofoil stickers. He is the only 8-star in the wave, and this is Digimon. $55,000, so not even the strongest we've gotten today. Oh, mind control, huh? Interesting. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. So luckily, all of the chips from this line, or this version, wave, whatever you want to call it, version 5.0, still work in the Appli driver. I don't know if that'll be the case for 6.0. They come out later this month. We just got into July here, so they come out kind of towards the end. Maybe, is it August? I think it's towards the end of July. I have to go back and check. But yeah, so I'm very excited about that, because when the new version of the Appli drive with the kind of two plates, and they came out with a... And again, I'm not up to date on the show, but there was like a purple one for, I guess, a new character, and then there was a Digimon one that just came out, and then there was a series of plates for Dokemon, Museumon, Hackmon, and so on. So I haven't gotten any of those yet because, again, I'm not up to that in the show, so I didn't know what they were yet. And if I can get away with always using this one, I probably will. But if I find out that the version 6.0 chips won't work in this, because I would imagine there's only so many sounds that this thing can hold, and I mean, that would make sense. Because you got to figure at this point, we've already got at least 25 times 4. No, 24 times 5. Haha. So you're looking at upwards of 120, over 120 sounds in this thing. So that's, you know, fairly reasonable, I think, as far as the amount of sounds that one thing can hold. So I don't know. I feel like this thing won't last forever, and that's why the other one came out. That's why the other one exists. So I may have to get that one eventually. But it is nice to know that at least up through the first 5 versions of the Appmon chip booster packs, you can still get away with the original Appli drive. So very cool. So I think we did pretty good. I have to say, for the pack opening, we're only missing 3. And I feel like there are 3 probably more common ones. All the higher star levels are present here. So I think I did pretty good on that. Again, it's all just dumb luck. I know some people buy multiple boxes. I usually just buy one of each kind and just kind of live without the ones I don't get. Because I feel like they're usually a pretty good track record of I usually only get about, you know, 2 to 3, always less than 5 duplicates. So I don't know if the boxes are just made that way or if it's just my luck or whatever. But I feel like if I bought 2 boxes, yeah, I'd get a whole set, but I'd have like 20 duplicates, and I don't need that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this pack opening and sound demo. I enjoyed doing it for you. I'm super jazzed that the Appli drive still works, and I think I did pretty good as far as I'm only missing 3 from the set, so pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have a favorite or one you really enjoyed or something like that, I'd like to hear from you, so let me know in the comments below. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.